Hello, this is me having a go at soldering, and I haven't done this for a very long time. Chris and Raf from the Hornby Forum said this is the one I ought to get. So this is a Antex 25 watt soldering iron. It's $34.95 from WD Models in Chesterfield, Derbyshire. And he said I'll need some flux and also some solder, which is lead free. So let's do this. Get this. I don't know what to expect, what's inside. Well, apart from the soldering iron, but there's a stand for it there. There's some instructions there. It basically says about wiring the cable into the plug and talking about the flux cooled solder heating up. When the hot bit is not in use, always place your iron in the bench stand. And also on the side there to show you all the different types of replacement bits. And also when you're changing the end tip, make sure it's cold, not hot, otherwise you burn your fingers. This is it. So we've got to take the plastic bit off. I don't normally, you can take that paper bit off, I don't really bother with that. Let's take the rubber band off. Get the stand open. I think it's supposed to go like that. So let's plug it in. This is an Antex XS25, 230 volts, 25 watts. Doesn't seem to have a red light on it. Would have been useful to have like a little red light on it just to show you when it's heating kind of thing. Start feeling it's heating up already. I'm not even touching it, but I can just feel the heat coming off it. Right, I'm going to put some solder on it. I'm going to try and solder these two bits together and see how that goes. Don't know how well this is going to work. There you go, my first go in many years. I don't know how good that is. It's kind of holding. It's not very stable, but it does wobble, but it's kind of been soldered together. As you can see, I can pull one track, so not very good, but I've just soldered these 2 points together. As you can see, I'm trying to pull them apart, and I can't. Let's do this on camera then. I'll paint these 2 bits with this brass flux. I think I've done it again. Just want to say, on this Antex 25 watt soldering iron, first of all make sure that the soldering iron is turned off and the tips gone cold so you don't burn your fingers. And if you want to change the nib, this bit here, what's called a bit, you just simply put it straight off like so, without this bit dropping. That's it there separately, and then you can get different bits for it. These are the different types of nibs or bits you can get for it. This top one is 0.12. This one here is 2.3. This one's another one here, also 0.12. And that one's got a 4.7, this bottom one. So they're all different thickness and different jobs. So anyway, thanks for watching my little soldering iron video. Apparently this is the best one to get and takes 25 watts. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe about passing by, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye.